Hello?
Hello, Aisha.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, Aisha. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, Aisha. How are you?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good as well. Okay, so let's start from, and like from Thursday, I guess, like the last class was on Thursday,
Yeah,
was it? Yeah. So
yes.
on Friday, what I thought about the concept about radical, yeah, radical, and what about what was the other topic? I guess first was the radical rule and the second was exponent. Yeah, I remember exponent rule. So I had been thinking since last week that like for the 4 days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, in these 4 days we will be learning about the new concepts and everything in the practice, but on Friday we should keep that day for a kind of quiz.
Yeah.
So on Friday, we will have a kind of interesting quiz regarding questions regarding, like, for example, if we have studied about the algebraic rules and radical rules, so definitely we would have those kind of questions on the quiz as well. Okay,
Okay.
so I have kept ready for that quiz from Friday. So what we are going to do today is to complete that quiz first.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so it's not a kind of test, like just to make just to be on a practice way. Fine.
Okay.
So I'm sharing some pictures with you, so let's start and solve this. Okay, now question number one is, okay, they are there. Screen. Wait, just hold a second. Okay, so it's on your screen. Question number one is n square multiplied n raised to the power 4, and I hope you are having a page and pen as well.
Yep, yep.
Okay, so can you answer me from four of these options? Like,
Um,
see, you can easily recognize, you can identify like which kind of rule has applied on this question.
it's the product rule.
Exactly. Okay, so what should be the answer from these options?
9 raised to the power of 11.
um
I mean n raised to the power of 11.
exactly, so 9 raised to the power 11 is the right option. Okay, good. Actually, I have captured screenshots from the website, because like when we are sharing the screen, so it's getting too slow on the night. And the last week we were having an issue for the network as well. So I don't want to be in such kind of trouble, so that's why I took screenshot of the quiz, and that's why I'm sharing with you as a screenshot. Okay, not directly I'm going into the website because it's take too much time to load.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, now the second one is m raised to the power 5 multiply m raised to the power 2. So
It is equal to m raised to the power of 7.
good, very good, excellent. Okay, I am just starting from like very easy concepts, from very easy things, so then I will move towards the difficult one as well. Okay, now I am moving to question, which is, now this one you have to solve, and you know very well how to solve this. Just
Um,
write on the page, yeah, just write this question on the page and try to solve out this. And it's very easy, you just need to be focused on the question. If you are not still getting this question, I can help you. Okay, you can ask me that, I
um,
just tell me the first
it's
yes.
I think it's 6D raised to the power of 8.
Wait. Let's solve just right here. Okay. So, okay, you are saying it's 6 raised to the power option B, this one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I solve, like, see, this option, this situation kind of looks like the power rule.
Yeah.
Yeah, the power rule. Okay. It means that this 3, which is my constant, is supposed to be multiplied with my power, which is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, we have to multiply the constant with the power as well. Got it? So if 3 3s are 9, are you getting me, Aisha? See, wait. Let me erase. Can you see this one? Can you, where is the
No.
spotlight?
No.
Yeah, this one. Yes.
No. It's okay. Wait. So you're supposed to multiply the constant. Isn't it supposed to be like you multiply the two powers?
You have to multiply the two powers, but what I told you, this exponent, like, see, for example, I am writing, let me write clearly over here. 3, it's 3d square into whole power is 3. Just like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Now see this exponent, which is inside the bracket, this exponent is supposed to be directly multiplied to the whole power, that is 3, which is obviously d raised to the power 6.
Yeah.
Got it? But
Yeah.
when we are multiplying the constant with the power, that constant is not supposed to multiply the way we have multiplied the power with the whole power. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So this constant, what we are supposed to do, this constant is to be open, like just like a square root or cube root, the way we have done in the previous concepts. Got it? Like for example, I have told you so many times, like if I take out the cube root of 64, so I am supposed to multiply 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Yeah?
Yep.
4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now just like that, you can easily suppose, wait, you can easily suppose like this 3 is just kind of the cube root of 64. So this 3 no doubt has to be solved like 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, like it is supposed to be multiplied with 3 times. Okay.
Is the answer 18d raised to the power of 8?
Wait. Let us solve. Okay. I hope the answer should be 18 a d raised to the power 8, but let's solve. Okay, so it's 27. Yeah, because 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are
27.
this 27. Okay, I have written 27 over here, and then 27 d6. And what about d2 square? Yeah, we have to
Okay.
yeah, exactly, we have to multiply or add this to d square as well.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Now exponents are supposed to be multiplied and the constants, no, sorry. Exponents are supposed to be added and the constants are supposed to be multiplied. So 27 will be multiplied with the constant 2. So
Okay.
27 twos are would be, I guess it's 2 7s are 14, 54. Yeah, 54. And then we will go just like the product rule, which means we have to add the exponents, which is 6 and 2. So 6 plus 2 would be
8.
good. So 54 3 raised to the power 8. Can you see this answer in any option?
Yeah.
Exactly. So the first option is your right answer. Okay, So the thing which you, the new concept which you have learned in this question, what is that? The constants are always supposed to be multiplied with the power or the other constant. Okay, but the exponents, if they are in the power rule, they will be multiplied directly. But if they are in the product rule, they are supposed to be added. Got my point?
Yeah.
Or should I
Yeah.
repeat it again?
No, I got it.
Okay, good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, let me share the other one, which is, how was your vacation?
It
Did you,
was nice.
okay, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah, obviously. Okay, stats. These are the screenshots. Mm, this we have done. Okay, now I'm here. Simplify 2v raised to the power 7 divided by v raised to the power 7. So just write the question and try to solve out that what should be the answer of that question.
Okay. Is the answer
Hmm.
um
Yes,
I don't know. Is it 2?
exactly. It's 2.
Yeah.
It's 2 because you know I can easily solve from the screen also. And how did you solve that? Like for surely you have done like this. 2v raised to the power 7 minus 7 would be 2v0.
Yeah.
2 into 1 is equal to 2. Good, very
Yeah.
good. Excellent, Aisha. Very good. Okay, so move to the next one. Star. Okay, it's there. I think it's just like the previous question or a little bit changes we have to do.
Um.
See? Hmm. First of all, the first thing which you have to see is a constant. If the constant is supposed to be simplified, you can.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think so. I think so. They can be simplified. Like
Uh-huh.
100 ones are 100, 100 fives are 500. So the fraction would be 1 by 5 only.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Um. It,
So
I'm not sure. I'm thinking
okay,
it's
let's solve this. It's okay. It's okay. Let's solve it together. Okay. So I told you that first of all we have to see the fraction. Yeah. So 100
yeah.
ones are 100, 100 fives are 500. So the fraction is 1 over 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now see the z raised to the power 20 is bigger than z raised to the power 15. So what
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do, I am just moving my z raised to the power 15 to subtract from z20.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I am writing 1 as it is, but now in the down, z20 minus 15.
Mm-hmm.
So the answer which is left, 1, 5, z raised to the power 5. Can I see this answer somewhere? Yeah,
Yeah.
this one. So, yeah, and you can copy these as well. You can copy these questions, okay? Or
Okay.
otherwise, I would send these screenshots, these pictures through the WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. So you
Mm-hmm.
can do a lot of practice for these questions as well.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay, now one more question which I really want to solve. Like for the previous one, the concept about multiplying the constants and opening the exponents and etc. I'm just writing one question, okay? And let's try to solve this. Like if I write my, oops, it's too much. Okay, minus 4 x raised to the power 2 whole power is 3. Multiply 2x raised to the power 3 and the whole power is 6. Now how are you gonna solve this? Now remember, this question is just like the second question we have done. So you have to be very careful about the constant. So let me clear you one thing, that this minus 4 is supposed to be solved like this: minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. It means 3 times. Got it?
Yeah.
So you just try to solve this. You can try, you can solve on the paper. Oops, sorry, I'm so sorry. Let me repeat it. Yeah, you just write this question.
So is this similar to the third question, which you?
Exactly, the second one, which we have the second one, like first we have to multiply the constants with the power, and then yeah, and then the exponents. Like for example, now number 1, this one 4, then this exponent. Yes. Do you have calculator right now with you?
No, I don't.
I think so. You must be needing calculator because of the complication of calculation. Because I think so. I think so. The figures are going to be complicated to
I
to
got the
count out.
answer.
Okay. What's your
192
answer?
raised to the power of 22.
Um.
I mean 192x.
Okay. Okay. I have not solved this yet. Let's solve this. Okay. And just you have to tally your method, your solution on the whiteboard, with the whiteboard. Yeah. So let's start this. Okay. So first of all, if as I told you that we will start from minus 4. So minus 4 multiply, sorry, this one is not should come. Okay, minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, which would be 64. Okay,
Wait.
and now then, sorry, yeah,
Wait, wasn't that? Oh, sorry, I read it wrong. 1 second.
it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I told you earlier as well that this constant is supposed to be open like the number of exponents are mentioned. Okay, if 3 is mentioned over here, so you have to open the constant 3 times. You have to multiply the constant 3 times. If 4 is mentioned, so you have to multiply constant 4 times. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, and this one, this exponent, now this 2 is your exponent. It's not a constant. It's your exponent. Now exponent would be directly multiplied with 3, which would be 2 3s are
6.
6. Yeah, so you will write 64, and it will be minus as well, because see, minus minus are plus, but plus minus are again minus. Okay, so minus 64 raised to the power 6 and multiplied with, now again you have to open this constant. Can you see this number 2? So
Yep.
this number 2 is supposed to be open 6 times, because the whole power is mentioned as 6. Okay,
Yep.
so you can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2.
Yeah.
Now let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32s are 32's multiplied by 2 would be 64 again. So it is 64. Okay, so here I am writing 64. Now this, you can see the exponent one. Can you see this 3?
Yeah.
Now this 3 is supposed to be multiplied with 6 directly. So 3 6 are
18.
good, very good. So 6 raised to the power 18.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can easily identify that what
Yes,
we
yes.
have to, yeah.
Um, okay.
64 is supposed to be multiplied with 64. Okay, because I told you constant would be multiplied with constant.
So I got the answer.
Yeah,
3,996 x raised to the
three
power.
3,000. 3,000. I am, if I am multiplying on my calculator, it's coming 4,000.
I must have made
4,096.
a mistake.
Okay,
One second.
okay.
Um, no, 1 second. I'll just calculate. I'm calculating myself, so.
Okay, okay, okay.
I mean, sorry, 1 second. Oh yeah, it is. Sorry, my mistake.
Is it?
Yep, yep.
Yeah, so the answer is minus 4,096, and x raised to the power is what?
Raised to the power of 1 second.
Now
X
the
raised
x,
to the power of 24.
exactly, very good, very good. Now I'm sure that you got the
Yeah.
idea of like solving the question in the beginning. Yeah,
Yes,
so
yes.
you have to, like you have to just tackle the situation that, yeah, okay, I just need to, like hold a rope of the question, and then automatically the question will be smoothly solved out.
Yeah.
Okay, now I am just sharing this another picture with you. So let's just complete this screen. Okay, it's there. Okay, now it's a kind of theory, I guess. Yeah. Can you leave a negative exponent in your answer? I think we have discussed in this in the class. Just think about that. Can you leave a negative exponent in your answer?
Wait 1 second.
Wait, let me just write a question, then you will get the answer easily. It's my 1 divided by z square, and it's 4z raised to the power 4. So I told you one thing, that which the exponent is bigger, the shorter one is supposed to be moved down in order to subtract, or in order to bring the positive exponent, because exponent is never and ever can be a negative.
Okay.
Did you remember? Did you remember? Okay. If you are not, it's okay. I'm just making you revise. Okay. So this 2, because it's in the numerator, but it's raised to the power 2 as compared with the z raised to the power 4. So definitely this z square is supposed to come down, and it would be minus 2. Okay. So it would become z
Mm,
square. Yeah,
yeah.
z square. But it will not be like this, that z will go up, this z1 down one, this z raised to the power 4 will go up, and then the answer will be again in the minus 2 exponent. That cannot be happen ever. Okay, so just remember in your mind that the negative exponent, they can't be negative. Fine, we
Okay.
cannot leave an exponent negative in our answer. Okay,
Okay.
now the next one. So, okay, it's done. It's done. It's already done. Okay, now according to exponent rule, when we raise the coefficients to a power, we dash the exponent. Now, coefficient is what? Let me tell you. Let me clear you that the coefficients are, for example, if I write 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 5. Okay,
Okay.
coefficient is the relation between these two exponents. Fine.
Okay.
Now you read the question that according to the exponent rules, when we raise the coefficient to a power, coefficient mean when we want to develop a relationship between these two power, what we are going to do, what we are going to do,
Um.
we're gonna add them, we're gonna subtract, multiply, or divide.
We're going to multiply them.
Exactly. We are supposed to multiply them because see, is 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, but their whole power is 3 as well. So this 3 and this 3 is kind of coefficient of the whole power. So they are supposed to be multiplied with each other. So it will be the answer as 3 3s are
9.
9. So the answer is 2 raised to the power 9. So your answer is correct. That according to the exponent rule, when we raise the coefficient to a power, because we are talking about the power rule, okay? So we multiply the exponent.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now I am moving towards the next question. Screenshot, come. Okay, here. Now, according to the exponent rule, when we multiply the coefficient, we dash the exponent.
Mhm.
Read again.
Yeah. Please.
Yes.
I don't.
We multiply the coefficients. Coefficients are what? 2 raised to the power 5. Now see the multiply sign. And 2 raised to the power 3. So definitely it's a product rule. So product rule, it means we
Add.
exactly. So the answer is we're gonna
Add.
add the exponents. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, um, there, okay, there. According to exponent rule, when we divide the coefficients, we dash the exponents. Now, concentrate on the question. 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. Now, what we are going to do that for that question?
Um. So we divide.
We divide the
We subtract the
coefficient.
exponents.
Exactly. So we are going to subtract
Subtract.
the exponents. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, like for these kind of little screenshots or the kind of quiz, you got your concepts more clearly. So I
Yeah.
think these kind of things should be supposed to be happen on one day like Friday. So inshallah, I'm sure that you will be present on Friday for the next class.
Yes.
So so I will have another quiz for you, inshallah. Okay, simplify that. Simplify into minus 5 multiplied with 7 and raised to the power is 0. Now I think as I am revising my mind, it's kind of uh, a divided by b. It's a kind of this kind of rule. Yeah, a and then b raised to the power n, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see the question? Yeah, it is just like this rule. So what we are going to solve, how we are going to solve this question now?
Um, I think it's minus 5 multiplied by
Okay,
7.
okay, wait. Minus raised to the power 0, then 7 raised to the power 0. Okay, now what should be the next step? Now listen one thing. The exponent, which is 0,
Okay.
and the constant, which is plus, that you know very well, it is always equal to 1. Yeah, it is always equal to 1. But this kind of expression doesn't have
Yeah.
any kind of like existence in kind of exponent rules. So if we have a constant that is minus and have an exponent that has the power 0, it is not even existing in any kind of maths. Fine. So it doesn't have any kind of value. So we will only include this one. So 7 raised to the power is equal to, sorry, 7 raised to the power 0 is equal to always 1. Did you get my what I said? Hello?